Well, all of a sudden, things are getting very interesting and active in the Gulf of Mexico. Here we have a tropical storm, Francine, which is gathering strength and will actually become a hurricane maybe as soon as tomorrow. And then by Tuesday, we'll be sliding into Louisiana. So what about us? Well, the thing is, Francine will be very close to us, giving us some rain and wind, but it's not going to be a direct hit as far as we are concerned. Now, as you see, there's sea drift. Here's Victoria, maybe 150 miles out offshore. You can see the outer bands of the storm beginning to develop. This stuff will be rolling in like that. So overnight, we'll see some sort of thunder shower activity rolling in. And then tomorrow looks like a fairly wet day. The thing is, the immediate impacts of the storm will be along the coastal area. So if you're anywhere between Palacios and maybe Rockport, you're going to be dealing with some very high tides, some gusty winds, probably in the 30-mile-an-hour range, maybe 35. And then you're probably going to get the heaviest rainfall. Now, we are in Victoria, of course. We are going to get some effects, but not even that strong, because remember, there is the strong side of the storm, and then there's the weak side of the storm. Storm center is about 200 miles off the coast of Brownsville. There's Brownsville, and there's the eye. You can see how it's beginning to gather strength. So everything is ready for this thing basically to start gaining strength, but moving northeast. If it stays on that track, and I'm very comfortable saying that it will stay on that track, it'll be headed into Louisiana in about 2-3 days, but it's going to be rolling right up the coast. I mean, I'm calling it an outside slider because it's outside and it's sliding right past our area. Now, here are the coordinates for those of you that have the little maps that we have mailed out. 24.0 north and 96.8 west, as you can see right about there. So where is the storm? Like I said, it's off the coast of Brownsville, right about there. It is beginning to gain strength. It is blossoming. It is getting bigger and bigger and getting stormier, and the winds are picking up as well. But because we're on this side, it's going to be traveling right along the coast and rolling inland as a Category 2, okay? 2, that's big. That means Louisiana needs to get ready now, and I mean like now, like tonight, because the storm's coming in as a fairly strong storm. That's about 110 miles an hour, so they're going to have to watch that very carefully. Now, the closest that I mapped is that the center of the storm will get to 150 miles off the coast of Seadrift, okay? Close, but, you know, fortunately far enough away, not a major problem. The center of the storm will get within 100 miles of the Galveston before it moves ashore. But again, this is the strong side of the storm. This is the weak side of the storm. So we're not going to get a ton of rain, especially west of Victoria. Everybody's hoping that we get some nice rain, but there's the center of it. There's the center of it. You'll see it moving northward and all the way up into Louisiana. So we will be getting some rain around here and some gusty winds, but nothing significant, which is good. A few showers begin tomorrow. A few showers with an 88 tomorrow in Cuero. And your 7-day forecast, I have it down as an alert day because all of you will have to keep watching. There's that 10%, 9% chance that it would vary its path. That's why we've got it as an alert day for Tuesday and Wednesday. And then all of a sudden, it clears up and we're on the backside of the storm getting warm and dry as we get to the coming weekend. That's your 7-day forecast, reminding everybody we do have a QR code. If you can scan that with your phone, you can put Crossroads Today right on your